Hey crypto crew, welcome back to the channel where we break down the wild world of blockchain and digital currencies. Today, we're diving into a question buzzing in 2025. Is crypto mining still worth it? Spoiler alert, it's not as simple as yes or no. So, grab your energy drinks and let's dig in. First, a quick refresher. Crypto mining is the process of validating transactions on a blockchain like Bitcoin or Ethereum using powerful computers. Miners solve complex math problems, and in return, they earn rewards in the form of new coins. Sounds cool, right? But in 2025, the game has changed. Let's break down the state of mining in 2025. The crypto landscape is hotter than ever, with Bitcoin hitting insert realistic price, e.g. $85,000, and altcoins like Ethereum 2.0 thriving post-merge. But mining isn't just about plugging in a rig and printing money anymore. Here's why. The pros: high crypto prices. Bitcoin and other coins are still valuable, so rewards can be lucrative if you mine efficiently. New opportunities. Emerging proof-of-stake and hybrid blockchains are opening doors to mine altcoins with lower energy demands. Tech advancements. Next-gen ASIC miners and GPUs in 2025 are more powerful and energy efficient than ever. The cons: skyrocketing costs. Electricity prices are still a killer, especially in regions without cheap power. Competition. Industrial mining farms with massive setups dominate Bitcoin mining, making it tough for small players. Environmental heat. Mining's energy consumption is under scrutiny, with regulators cracking down in some countries. Where you mine matters. In 2025, places like Iceland, Canada, and parts of Texas are mining hotspots thanks to cheap, renewable energy. Meanwhile, countries like China have tightened restrictions, pushing miners to relocate. If you're stuck paying $0.20 per kilowatt hour, you're probably losing money. Profitability depends on your setup. A high-end ASIC miner, like Bitmain's Antminer S21 Pro, can still turn a profit if you've got access to electricity under 0.05 per kilowatt-hour. But for the average Joe with a gaming PC, mining Bitcoin is like trying to win a drag race on a bicycle. Now here's where it gets interesting. Bitcoin mining might be tough, but altcoins are shaking things up. Coins like Ravencoin, Ergo, or even newer 2025 projects are designed for GPU mining, which is more accessible for hobbyists. Plus, some blockchains reward miners for staking or running nodes, cutting out the crazy energy costs. GPU mining is making a comeback for smaller coins, but don't expect to get rich overnight. The key: research low-difficulty coins with high potential and mine them before they moon. So, is crypto mining worth it in 2025? Here's the deal. For hobbyists, if you've got cheap power, a decent GPU, and love the tech, mining altcoins can be a fun side hustle. For serious players, if you can invest in efficient hardware and tap into low-cost energy, Bitcoin or Ethereum mining can still pay off. For everyone else, you might be better off buying and holding crypto or staking coins for passive income. Before you jump in, do the math. Use a mining calculator, check your electricity costs, hardware efficiency, and the coin's market trends, and stay sharp. Crypto moves fast. Oh, and one last tip. Join a mining pool to boost your chances of steady rewards. That's the scoop on crypto mining in 2025. Worth it? Depends on your setup and strategy. Let me know in the comments. Are you mining right now, or are you sticking to trading? Smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto deep dives, and I'll catch you in the next one.